Okay, I'm going to show you how to add your Padlet to an assignment in Google Classroom. So here I am in a Padlet. It doesn't have any little things on it yet, but it's a Padlet. And really basically all you have to do is copy whatever the URL is. But just to make sure that you have everything the way you want, go over to the little gear over here and click on that. And just check to make sure, like, did you update the title and the description? You can decide whether you want the little post to be freeform or a grid or a stream. And the backgrounds, all that kind of fun stuff. These two here for posting. Do you want your students names to be posted with it? And do you want them to be able to put in comments? So those are the things that you can do there. And down at the very bottom is the address. And that's what the URL is up here. But you can change the end part of it to something that makes sense for whatever your Padlet is about. So you'll notice here that I changed mine to say Tech ELL. It can be whatever you want. It's still kind of a long URL, so you probably wouldn't want to write it on the board and expect the kids to type it in, but you don't have to because you have Google Classroom. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to copy that URL and go over to my classroom. So now I'm in my Google Classroom and I'm going to add an assignment. So I click on the plus here and I'm going to call it an assignment, but you could also call it an announcement if you wanted to. I like to do assignment because I can see who's actually done something. So I'm going to click on assignment and I'm going to say, please add to our Padlet. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on this link icon right here. I'm going to paste that link in there and hit hit add. So now it's all ready to go, and I want to assign that to my students. And so I would hit assign, and then it would be assigned to everybody. So when I click that, then you'll see that it shows up right here in the classroom, and the kids would just click on it, and it would take them to the Padlet. And it would also have a place in here for them to say that if you're looking from the student view, when they're looking at theirs, there's a place to say that they've done it, since it isn't something they would be turning in. So that is how you do it. You add, you get the URL, you copy the URL, and then you add it into an assignment by clicking on the link here and then pasting it here. That is how you do it.